Welcome. If you want to give your Discord server a fresh look, changing the server image is a quick and easy way to do it. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to update your server's profile picture on Discord, making your community stand out. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged in with the account that has permission to manage the server. Only server owners or users with the right permissions can change the server image. Next, head to the server you want to update. You'll find your servers listed on the left side of your screen. Tap on the server icon to enter the server's main page. At the top of your server's page, you'll see either 3 dots or the server's name. Tap on this area to open the options menu. From here, select Settings, usually represented by a gear icon. This will take you into the server settings where you can customize various aspects of your community. Now, look at the top of the settings page for your current server image or profile picture. Tap on it, and you'll be prompted to upload a new image. You can choose an image from your device's gallery or even take a new photo right then and there. Once you've picked your new image, you'll have the option to crop or adjust it so it fits perfectly as your server's icon. Make sure the important parts of your image are centered, since Discord will crop it into a circle. When you're happy with how it looks, confirm your selection. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Your new server image will now be visible to everyone in your community, giving your server a brand new vibe. That's all it takes. Updating your Discord server image is a simple way to keep your community looking fresh and inviting. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips to get the most out of Discord.